In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Monopoly Go on Android. If you want to download and get started playing with Monopoly Go on your Android device, then the process is quite easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular network and then launch Open Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Monopoly Go. Now, once you hit search, you'll be able to find the Monopoly Go application in the search results. Go ahead and tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until your download starts and then installs on your mobile device. And there you have successfully downloaded Monopoly Go. Now you can tap the play button to launch Open the game for the first time on your Android device. That is how you should be able to download and install Monopoly Go right on your Android phone with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.